Hello everyone, in this video we will study about the abnormal urine conditions. Okay, so we studied that how the urine or how the concentrated urine is formed in the nephrons, and when the urine is formed in the collecting duct, from the collecting duct it goes to the ducts of Bellini. From the ducts of Bellini it goes to the renal pelvis. From renal pelvis it is finally going to go to the ureter, and from the ureter it goes to the urinary bladder. Okay, so this is the urine. Now there are some conditions which are abnormal, and it is abnormal because the abnormal substances are found in the urine. The substances which normally are not found in the urine, when they are found in the urine, those conditions are the abnormal conditions. Let's start with the first abnormal condition, that is the albuminuria. Albumin, it is basically a protein. We discussed that when the glomerular filtrate, okay, it is filtered and it comes into the Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule is basically isotonic with the blood plasma, only that the proteins and fats are not present. But here, okay, when the albumin is excreted from the urine, okay, that condition is called as the albuminuria. And albumin came into the filtrate because the slit pores, okay, the podocytes were present on the Bowman's capsule on the inner layer, okay, which is called as a visceral layer, and these podocytes had some spaces in between them which was called as a slit pores. Now when these slit pores are enlarged in size, okay, their size or the diameter increases, so because of that the proteins also start getting filtered, and because of that the albuminuria condition is created. The next one is Glycosuria. What is glycosuria? When the glucose is present in urine, this is called as glycosuria, and this condition is seen in the diabetes mellitus condition. There are two types of diabetes. One is diabetes mellitus and the another one is diabetes insipidus. Diabetes insipidus is caused because of because of the antidiuretic hormone that we will study sometime later. But that is the glycosuria when the glucose is present in the urine, which is in the case of diabetes mellitus. Next one is hematuria. So what do you mean by heme? Heme means anything related with the blood. So when RBCs or blood is excreted from the urine, that condition is called as the hematuria. Next one is ketonuria. Ketone, that is the ketone bodies. Normally the ketone bodies are not excreted in the urine, but when the urine contains a large amount of ketone bodies, that condition is called as a ketonuria. Next one is pyuria. Pyuria is a condition when WBCs are excreted from the urine. That condition is called as pyuria. Then what is uremia? As the name suggests, urea. When the urine contains large amount of urea, okay, that condition is called as the uremia. Now oligonuria. Now this is basically not related with some of the substances that are abnormally present in the urine, but the amount of urine, that is quantitative, oligonuria and anuria. Now normally a normal average person, a healthy person, he excretes about 1 to 1.5 liters of urine, but in case of oligonuria only less than 250 ml of the urine is excreted. That condition in a day, that condition is called as oligonuria. Okay, so 250 ml or less. In anuria, only 50 ml or less of the urine is excreted. That condition is called as anuria. Okay, and the last one is hemoglobinuria. As the name suggests, when the urine contains hemoglobin in it, that condition is called as a hemoglobinuria. In the next video, we will study about the abnormal conditions of the kidney or the disorders of the kidney. Thank you.